Hello and welcome to LicitElite. LicitElite is a digital platform where a law student can gain more knowledge through our YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to introduce the criminal law of India. A person is a social human being who lives in a group, and that group is called society. A man has to do various activities for his livelihood. Some activities are good or some are bad. In other words, some activities of a man are beneficial for society and some are harmful to the society. To regulate the activities of human behavior, a group of set activities is introduced by regulatory authorities so that no one could harm the other one. This set of rules is called law. Friends, the law basically has been divided into two important parts: civil law and criminal law. Now, if we talk about civil law consists of a body of rules, procedures, regulations, and judicial precedents that helps in resolving the various non-criminal disputes. Now, it means that whatever is not criminal, that is civil law. These civil disputes are either between individuals or organizations and can be on a variety of problems like ordinary issues, private matters, marriage conflicts, etc. For example, a feud between a husband and wife, that will not be counted as a criminal matter. That will be taken as a family matter which will come under civil law. Now, talking about criminal law, I would like to say that criminal law is the body of law that relates to crime. It proscribes conduct perceived as threatening, harmful, or otherwise endangering to the property, health, safety, and moral welfare of people, inclusive of oneself. Most common criminal law is established by statute, which is to say that laws are enacted by legislature. Criminal law includes the punishment and rehabilitation of people who violate such laws. Criminal law varies according to jurisdiction and differs from civil law, where emphasis is more on dispute resolution and victim compensation rather than on punishment or rehabilitation. Friends, if we talk about Indian criminal law, the Indian criminal law is divided into three major statutes, or you can say three major acts. They are Indian Penal Code 1860, Code of Criminal Procedure 1960, and Indian Evidence Act 1872. These three acts or these three regulations are really important to understand if we want to know what criminal law in India is. Beside these major acts, if we talk about criminal law, there are also some other special criminal laws which are passed by Indian Parliament. For example, Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, Prevention of Corruption Act, Food Adulteration Act, Dowry Prevention Act, the Defence of India Act, etc. There are thousands of minor laws that are made in India. So these laws regulate the activities of human behavior. Now, the activities can be civil or criminal. So there are two ways to control, to regulate those activities. The nature of activity should be either civil or criminal. Thank you for listening patiently. We will be there. And friends, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you for your support. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.